From the most advanced automated system to your garage door and refrigerator at home, sensors and switches are a key part of keeping everything running efficiently and correctly. Today, let's talk about limit switches. What is a limit switch from Automation Direct? A limit switch is an electromechanical device that activates when an object makes physical contact with the actuator. Automation Direct offers an extensive lineup of limit switches in a variety of actuator styles and form factors, from heavy-duty IEC and NEMA switches to our tiny high-precision limit switches. Here's a closer look at a mechanical limit switch that Automation Direct offers. This model features an actuator with an adjustable head and plunger, and a switch block housing that protects the switch contacts and terminal block wiring. The removable cover provides access to the switch block housing, and the threaded opening accommodates standard electrical conduit. Limit switches are a reliable form of detection. They can be as coarse or as precise as you need them to be. They are not affected by ambient light and are rugged enough for the harshest environments. A downside is that these switches must make contact to detect the object. Mechanical parts wear out, but these styles of switches are often low cost and easily replaceable. If you choose to purchase a limit switch for your application, make sure to select the NEMA or IP rating closest to your environment. At Automation Direct, we're continually adding products like these precision limit switches from Metro. These ultra-precise mechanical limit switches have a repeatability down to 0.5 microns and are some of the smallest switches and sensors available. Their tiny size allows them to be mounted in extremely tight locations. The additional offering includes precision touch limit switches with a 1 micron repeat accuracy, 90-degree straight touch limit switches with a 6mm smooth barrel, mini stopper precision limit switches in 8, 10, and 13mm flathead styles, and high precision tool setter limit switches with threaded M4 mounting holes or downward installation options. Non-LED limit switch models are also available. To learn more about limit switches and sensors, and to order some for your own applications, visit us today at AutomationDirect.com. Click here to learn more about limit switches. Click here to watch more videos.